30, 40 years from now, would you consider having an aesthetic treatment of such kind?
Wow naman. Thank you, Miss Anne. Unang-una ko, nung pumunta ako sa Miss Universe, talagang makikita mo talaga na para sa ibang tao, normal lang magpagawa or magpa-enhance na kung ano man. Para naman sa ibang tao, mas na-appreciate nila yung kung anong meron sila, kung anong natural sa kanila. Totoo po yun, na nakakita ko talaga yung mga bubay nila ay may mga kung ano-ano, mga tinagian, totoo. At yung iba, they were so proud. Ina-announce pa nila na, oh, my 2 babies are so healthy. Ay, mga ganon! Naluloko talaga ako. At yung iba naman, for example, dito may gathering, tapos tawanan talaga kayo lahat. Yung iba talaga, hindi sila makatawa ng kalata. Miss Form talaga. Hindi mo din sila makatawa ng kalata. Hindi talaga, pasimili lang. Yung alam mo na medyo manang pa yung mukha nila. Yung gano'n, nakakaloka. Hindi ma-stretch yung kanilang smile. Pero, nandun na po tayo. Saya, we appreciate it. We like it. Siguro 40 years from now, 30 years from now, I'll see kung ang mukha ko ay medyo nagsasag na. For sure naman. Pero, depende po yun sa kung nasaan ba akong industriya sa mga panahon yun. Kung ako po ay nagtatrabaho pa rin sa telebisyon, syempre, i-consider ko yun kasi binabayaran tayo, kumikita tayo, at ginagamit natin yung mukha natin in front of these people. Pero siguro kung ako po ay may iba ng linya at may iba na akong ginagawa, sa tingin ko naman ay matatanggap naman ng mga anak ko, ng pamilya ko, kung anong itsura ko by that time. At sana ko ay makapag-asawa ko at this very moment na maganda pa yung mukha ko. Kasi kapag mga 30, 40 years na from now, feeling ko, sasabihin ng mapapangasawa ko at medyo kailangan mo na ng enhancement. So, I think I'll see kung ano na kung magiging itsura ko. Siyempre, wala naman po tayong assurance na hanggang sa pagtanda ko, ganito pa rin ang mukha ko. For sure, meron at meron akong pagbabago. Thank you, Miss Anne.
Wow, Venus, I'm so believe na believe to you. Kasi you're the epitome of the Filipina woman. You're so, in the words of the Europeans and the Americans, exotic. And then you try to promote yourself without, you can be this and be an ambassador for their clinic without really doing anything, no? To her face, to her body. It's who she is deep down. So, congratulations.
Thank you po.
And then si Johan, ikaw, when you're still in the industry, and kung ang role mo is si Richard Gomez ka na, at tatay ka na, tapos ang eye bags mo hanggang dito na, ano ka ba? Plastic surgery.
Talagang parang normal naman talaga yung magpaayos ka. Pero, nasa iyo naman talaga yung gusto mo talaga. Pero, pag nasa showbiz ka talaga, may mga tao nag-criticize talaga sa itsura mo. Lagi po, ang itsura mo kailangan magbagi ng maganda, guwapo, di ba? So, kahit ayaw mo minsan, pero for the sake of sa showbiz ka, parang nag-push ka na gawin mo lang talaga.
Oo. I think we all totally understand that, di ba? I mean, lalo na in the US, mahirap talaga pagka tumatanda ka na and nagkaka-wrinkles ka. Yung iba, they're so young, but they're so full of botox na hindi na gumagalaw ang mukha nila. But, I think if you're in the industry, it dictates that you level up to a certain standard, diba? So, I guess when you're still there and you're in the mature stage of your years, then you would consider it. But as Venus said, kung homemaker ka na and may mga anak ka na, siguro you wouldn't anymore.
Yeah, and I just wanna add, siguro if you take care of yourself now, kung siguro the food you eat, kung siguro sa ngayon nag-i-exercise ka, kung dumating ka man dun sa point na medyo may katandaan na, I think hindi mo naman kailangan mapa-enhance kung ano man. Kasi, healthy ka eh. Yan naman ang punot-dulo. Healthy naman tayo. So, oo, hindi basta. Pag healthy ka, maganda. Yun.
Thank you so much. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Venus Rock.
Thank you.
Johan, of course. And thank you so much for being so kind. I know surprising yung ibang questions, but we had a blast, didn't you? I mean, fantastic, no? And we'd like to thank you for gracing this occasion.